The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by Imperium Exteriors. Make your house a home with the help of Imperium Exteriors. We're talking today with owner and operator Connor Eiselt to learn a little bit more. Connor, tell us about the services that y'all offer.
So primarily we offer window replacements and siding replacements on remodel houses.
Okay, talk to me about some of the options that we've got, because not every window is the same anymore.
Yeah, that's most definitely true. There's a lot of different types of windows now. You have vinyl, fiberglass, there's all sorts of different glass units. We offer a wide variety of windows to be able to fit just about everybody's need. We can definitely walk you through each one of those options and find what fits your needs the best.
Wonderful, and I know that you offer hardy siding.
Yes.
That's excellent for Texas homes. Tell me about some of the other choices that we have there in order to kind of keep the heat out.
Oh yeah, so along with hardy siding, there's a lot of things we can do behind the siding system. In between your siding and your actual 2x4s that frame up your house, we can add in our panel zip board, which is insulation zip board. That's going to create a complete thermal barrier on your house. That'll stop a lot more heat. Also, while we have all the siding off, it's a great time for us to insulate your home, which we also offer that service. So we're definitely able to decrease that electricity bill and make the comfortability of your house much more efficient.
I want to know how you got this business started. I know it's kind of a second generation thing, that construction is in the family.
Yeah, construction's definitely in the family, and that's kind of what led me into this. I started in the supply industry, so I've seen how all the trucks move around, how we actually get material, talked to a bunch of the manufacturers from there, and was able to use that knowledge to kind of leverage myself into going to the homeowners and delivering them with high-end knowledge that a lot of other contractors might not have.
Oh, okay, that's good to know. So last question here, why do you do what you do? I have a feeling that you're doing it for the people.
Yeah, that's definitely it. You know, that's what makes me happy is whenever we're completely done with a job and a homeowner says, like, wow, I never knew my house could look like this, or I never realized how bad it was until you fixed it all.
Oh,
and then now it looks great.
Yeah, that's wonderful. So if somebody's watching today and they're thinking, oh yeah, actually I need to address my windows, I'd like to talk about my siding, how do they get the process started with you?
So just look us up online. It's Imperium Exteriors, and then reach out to us. You can either fill out the form or give us a call. A real human will answer the phone and we'll get a meeting scheduled, and one of our sales reps will come out and get the process started for you.
Sounds good to me. Connor, thank you for your time.
Yeah, thank you.
Call today or go to imperiumexteriors.com to get started with a free consultation. The preceding portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by Imperium Exteriors.